Hello and welcome to this video about how to use Adfin in Engager. Adfin is a payment tool that collects your clients' invoice payments via direct debit, credit card, debit card, and open banking. And we've integrated into Adfin so that you can get your clients to sign up to direct debits as part of the letter of engagement experience, but also so you can manage direct debits and have complete visibility in Engager. So let's have a look in Engager and see how this works. Okay, so I'm in Engager. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the settings, and you're going to have the Adfin integration option, and we're going to click in there. If I was integrating for the first time, this would say authorize, not reauthorize, and I would click on that button. It will take me to the Adfin login page. I'd log in, and then it will bring me back to this page. So I can also reauthorize from here and revoke my authorization if I need to. Following that, I need to decide how I want client details to be stored at Adfin. Do I want first name followed by last name followed by first name? And regardless of which I choose, do I want the trading suffix, where applicable, to be added? So John Doe trading as John's trading name. Do I want the trading as John's trading name there or not? If I do, I tick the box. If I don't, I leave the box unticked. Then I press save. Then I've got to decide by default, and you're going to have the choice to change this at every letter of engagement, but by default, do I want to make it mandatory for clients to sign up to a direct debit when they're signing a letter of engagement, optional, or not offered at all? I'm going to choose mandatory for the sake of this. And I've also got an option at the bottom, if I ever want to remove all Adfin data from Engager with one quick click of a button. So now we've set up Adfin, let's go and have a look at our clients. I'm going to send a letter of engagement to Client Engager Online. If I go in here and click on General Info, first of all, before I can send them a letter of engagement and ask them to sign a direct debit, I've got to set them up on Adfin. This is really quick and easy. Click on Link with Adfin. It's done a search. It can't find anybody. So we'll create a new one, confirm, and save. So this client record is now saved on Adfin. So that means I can now send them a letter of engagement to invite them to sign up a direct debit. If they've already signed a letter of engagement, actually you just want to send them a direct debit request. Now they're linked. You can see there's a payments Adfin option at the top. And I can send a direct debit mandate request from here. I can also click on Open Adfin, and that will take me to this client's record within Adfin. I want to send a letter of engagement, and I want the client to sign a direct debit as part of that. I've already generated my letter of engagement here. If I press send, I'm now asked, do I want to use the default terms, which is mandatory, or do I want to choose a different option for this client's letter of engagement? I'm going to stick with default for this one. Save and proceed. This then sends the letter of engagement as we're all used to. But let me show you what it's going to look like for your client. This is the letter of engagement email the client's getting, and we're going to click on Review and Sign. This would then open a new letter of engagement window. As you can see, hi Ash, here's your letter of engagement. I'm going to type in my name here, Ash Hall, and then the next step is now to set up a direct debit. If I click on this, then it will take me through to set up a direct debit. If I try and complete this without doing that and click approve, it will keep telling me in red here, you are required to sign up for a direct debit. So set up a direct debit, takes me to the Adfin setup page where I put my business account name, my account number, my sort code, my email address, and I confirm that I agree to the direct debit terms of a mandate and that I am the only authorized signatory for this account. If I press continue on this, it would then take me back to this page where this will now reflect as green, saying you have got a direct debit mandate set up. And then I would be able to press approve. So that's how we get the clients to sign a direct debit mandate if it's going to be part of letter of engagement. If it's not, and you just want to send a direct debit mandate out, you can do that here by pressing resend. Or you can cancel the direct debit from here. You can see the status of the direct debit. On top of that, if I go into my client list, I can go to filters. I can go to Adfin direct debit status, and you can see I can filter by the status. What these statuses mean are not linked to Adfin. That means you haven't linked the client's records yet to Adfin. Not created. That means you've not created a direct debit mandate request. Awaiting acceptance. That means you've created a request, but they haven't accepted it yet. Accepted and activating. That means the client's accepted the direct debit and it's now at the bank being activated. Active implies active. Cancelled, it means they've cancelled. On top of this, we've now got a new column available, which shows all the statuses of your Adfin clients. And that is the new Adfin integration into Engager. So you can have visibility, you can use the status of your Adfin direct debits as a filter, you can get clients to sign up to mandates by mandate or by option on the letter of engagement, and you can send out ad hoc direct debit mandate requests as well, all from Engager, powered by Adfin. Any questions on this, please get in touch with the support team at support@engager.app, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you very much.